Hey guys, welcome back to Stars and Friends. Today, I'll be talking about a struggle and a solution. Problem and solution. So, have you ever had this problem where you had a Snack and Sara face, like vinyl face, or whatever it's called, and over time it got messy and collected dust? So, here is your solution, and it always got hurt. To make her brand new, you just need to use baby powder. Simple solution. I'll show you how to use your baby powder. I'm going to open my baby powder, and when using like messy stuff, make sure to have something underneath and parents' permission. So I'm going to pour baby powder on this sheet. That looks like enough. That's how much I'm going to put. And I also have my mom's blush brush. The one she puts blush on, of course. And I'll be using this to apply my baby powder on my Snack and Sara's face. This is Nora and this is Nabiha. Let's see who goes first. Okay, Nora goes first because she's younger, so yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna change the camera. Sorry. Okay, now you can just see Nabiha and Nora. I believe. I don't know if you guys could see me, but I'm here. So guys, first I will be applying my baby powder. So I'm gonna apply my baby powder on my doll. So this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take my brush. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna take my brush and with my brush, I will pat it down on what I want. So about this much. I don't know if you guys can see. There we go. So why is this moving around so much? Usually doesn't happen. Nora's first. I will brush it on her cheek. Move this to the side. Brush your cheek. There we go. I'm gonna apply a couple of coats. Always use parents' permission, because maybe it's not baby powder and it might harm your doll's skin. Soft. Okay, so you're going to start from one cheek to the forehead and to the other cheek. And when you go to the forehead, you're going to go with this, and then you're going to go down. And you even could do her lips if they need softening too. Okay. This is just really quick and easy. So yeah. And she also smells good at the end, so it's nice too. You don't want to put too much or then she's going to look pale. And if you have, for example, a Sweet Tears baby, like Natalie, I already did her baby powder, her skin. You want to make sure for the eyes. So what I did is I put an napkin underneath. Okay, now it's Nabiha's turn. And she has marks here. I don't know if you guys can see. Little dents in her skin. guys could see a little bit. See that? Okay, now I'm just gonna apply the baby powder. I just wondered that if baby powder could, I created this by wondering if baby powder could actually cure skin, because it makes baby's hands soft and baby hands are just like her skin. So I did a little experiment and it works. Okay, so almost done. And make sure not to like put too much in her mouth. You just want to apply it on her lips like this and on the top. Sometimes you can even try your lips. So that is how you baby powder your dolls. And you always have to give this back to your mom, you know? So, it also makes her look shiny, if you could see. The glow right here. There's a glow. A lot of glow. Like, almost like highlighter. She feels so much more softer. Look how funny this is. I doubt Nabia has it because her chin's up. Oopsie daisy. Okay, you guys want to do the end? Of course. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Share this channel with your friends and family. And don't forget to click the notification bell. Ding!